Hello, here is what the Natural Resource Project is. So what you're going to do is you're going to research a natural resource and how it relates to a certain country and its economics. So you'll need to pick a natural resource and research how it affects the country. Your research, you will research and then present research in either Adobe Spark video or a web page, and I will make separate videos for those. So you're going to choose one: water, oil, natural gas, or coal. So you'll type in which one of those that you choose. Then you're going to be using Utah's online library to research, and I'll make a separate little video about how you use that to research as well. And then information you need to find. This is the information that you need to research and answer. No, you cannot use Wikipedia. I'll add that right here. Remember, no Wikipedia. Okay, you will get a 0. So don't use it. Okay. Natural resource, how is it found? What is it used for? Sustainability, how long will it last? Like, is it something that we can regrow? Recycling, can it be recycled? Which nations have that resource? How does it affect their economy? That's in the terms of like money. Okay, what nations use that resource? What will it be used for? What do they use it for? So basically, what countries do the other country trade for? Okay, what do they use it for? What countries are at risk for not having enough of this resource? Environmental impact, current issues, and sources. Where did you get your information from? So this will be really important. Okay, you're going to take your research and put it into an Adobe Spark video or website, and in there I'll link the how to use each one of those. Okay, and then here is the rubric for how you'll be graded, and this will count as an assessment. So the first thing that you want to make sure you do is after you pick your research or your resource, natural resource, you're going to research it, okay, and then you are going to turn this information into a project, okay, either with Adobe Spark video or a website. All right, and that is the overall explanation.